Hello everyone. This is a quick video on how to export a parcel data set from ArcPro and then locate it on your computer, zip it up, and email it to someone. What you see on my screen is I have my parcels right here, and you can see them in my display. When you want to export out your data set, what I do is I highlight the parcel data set, and then I like to go up to my map view and make sure that all my features are clear, so I don't have any selected. If you have any selected, when you export this data set out, you'll only get the ones you have selected, and I want the entire data set to be sent, so I make sure that all of my current features are deselected. Once this step is done, you can highlight your parcels, right click, move down to Data, and select Export Features. You'll get the Export Features box right here. Your input features are parcels, that's great. Your output location, that all depends on what you're doing and where you want to put this data. It's important to know where your data is going. So here, the output location is in a geodatabase. I want to export this out to a shapefile. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the browse, and then I'm going to navigate down to this PC, and I'm going to put it on my D drive in my work folder. This is where I like to put all of my GIS data. So once I have my folders specified, now I can put an output name in. And what you want to do when you are exporting out to a shapefile, you want to specify .shp after your name. So parcels.shp, and this will export the data out to a shapefile. Once you do that, you hit OK, and this will run through and export out your parcel data. And once this is done, it adds a new data set. You see that I have two of them here now, so I can shut this one off. This is the parcel data set, and I'll just go down and right click and do properties. We'll check the source, and we can see that this is a shapefile feature class. So this one is an ND work parcels. So this is the new one we just created. Once you have your parcel data set exported, the next thing you want to do is bring up your File Explorer, and you can do that by hitting Windows E, and that will give you your File Explorer. And we'll navigate down to my D drive, work, and here is my parcel data set. You can see that there are quite a few lock files in there. That's because I have the data set open. If I remove that from my project, that'll get rid of all those lock files. So what I want to do now is I want to click on the top one and then hold the Shift key and click the bottom one. That way I get all of these files selected, because all of this is what makes one shapefile. Once I have those selected, I can right click and go down to Send To, compressed zip folder, and that just made my parcel data. Once you have it in a zip file like that, it's very easy just to create an email and just grab this and drag it over, and there's my parcels, and then you can send that, and that's all it takes. I hope this was instructional. Good luck exporting that parcel data, and I will talk to you in the next video.